Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the essentials so you can act decisively. First, make sure Oracle Home and TNS admin point to the directory with TNs names. Aura. Once done, run lsnrctl status to confirm a listener is active and listening on 1521. If it's not, start it. Next, open TNs names. Aura and verify the service name, host, port, and SID or service name entries match the database server. These checks remove guesswork and let you apply targeted fixes immediately. Once those basics are confirmed, you need to diagnose communication. Run tnsping with the exact service name to verify the TNs name's mapping resolves and returns a response time. Next, try connecting with SQL*+ or your client to see whether authentication or protocol errors appear. That separates client issues from network ones. Make sure the server's hostname resolves from your client and that firewalls or security groups allow port 1521. Use Telnet or NC to test raw TCP connectivity to the database host and port. You're ready to implement fixes and confirm the result. Edit TNs names, Aura or listener. Aura to correct misconfigured entries, update Oracle Home or hosts file as required, then restart or reload the listener and database services so changes take effect. After restarting, use tnsping and your client to verify a successful connection. If issues continue, check listener. Log and the trace files for ORA errors. Key troubleshooting tip. Enable diagnostic tracing briefly to capture the failure, then
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.